Washing machine rental Brisbane for government payment recipients. When it comes to replacing a washing machine or in any type of appliance, it can be a daunting and expensive process. Renting is an option that has not always been highlighted. When a washing machine or clothes dryer is not performing as it should, or if multiple loads need to be done, due to an appliance being too small, sometimes the family has outgrown the washing machine. It is not just inconvenient, it can be costly, from the point of view of water and power usage. If the washing machine stops completely, especially in the middle of a load, that is even worse. Whatever the scenario, whether the family has outgrown the washing machine or clothes dryer, or the machine has simply given up the ghost, the result is the same: it needs to be replaced. In the case of a washing machine, choices need to be made, relating to what type, top loader, or front loader, what size, what brand. Fortunately, color is not an issue, you can have white or white. Next problem: how is the new appliance going to be paid for? Cash, nice option if you are lucky enough to have it. Finance, not always easy to get. Renting may be an option you had not considered? Easy Payment Options CEO Richard van der Velde said that there are options available for renting appliances. He said, Centerpay is a voluntary bill paying service that is free for Centrelink customers. They can use Centerpay to arrange regular deductions from their Centrelink payment. A deduction can be started or changed at any time. The quickest way to do it is through a Centrelink account online. Or rental is also available via direct debit. These payments are made direct from a bank account. This is an option for people who are good at managing their cash flow. Richard went on to say, we treat each and every person with dignity, respect, integrity and complete honesty. Because we choose to talk to you rather than have a computer make decisions about your life. The process can take a little longer, but that is why we can say yes to more clients more often. For more information, call us on 075635 0050. See our website Easy Rent Options.